A tent is in the shape of cylinder surrounded by a conical top. If the height and diameter of cylinder part are 2.1 and 4 meter respectively, చాలాసార్లు చెప్పాను, height and diameter respectively అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? height 2.1, diameter 4 meters, diameters 4 meters అని మీనింగ్. And the slant height of top is 2.8 meters. This is slant height. This is slant height. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also, find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of 500 per square meter. 500 per square meter. Now, radius of cone and cylinder, that is equal to how much? Cone and cylinder. Radius of cone and cylinder, d by 2. D is 4. Therefore, d by 2 is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2 meters. 2 meters. Height of cylinder, this is h is equal to 2.1 meter. Slant height cone of the cone, L is equal to 2.8 meters. 2.8 meters. Then area of canvas. మొత్తం ఈ క్యాన్వాస్ యొక్క ఏరియా ఎంతంటే, ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సిలిండర్ మనకి ఫార్ములా తెలుసు. దీని సిఎస్సి ఎంత? 2πRh. దీని సిఎస్సి ఎంత? πRl. రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తే టోటల్గా ఏరియా ఆఫ్ క్యాన్వాస్ వస్తుంది. సో ఏరియా ఆఫ్ canvas is equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone. So CSA of cylinder is equal to CSA of cylinder is equal to 2πRh plus πRl. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, రెండింటిలో పై రెండింటిలో కామన్ ఉంది, ఆర్ కూడా కామన్ ఉంది. సో దాన్ని కామన్ తీస్తే πr తీస్తే ఇంకేముంది? 2h ప్లస్ πr తీస్తే l. సో π ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 22/7. 22/7. r అంటే 2 meters into 2 into h. That means 2 into, what is h? 2 into 2.1 plus l is equal to 2.8. So this is equal to 22/7 into 2 into 2.1 4.2 plus 2.8. 2.8 plus 2 3 plus 4 7. So that is equal to 22/7 into 2 into 7. 7 cancel చేస్తే 44 meter square. 44 meter square. Now we should find the cost of canvas. Now cost is equal to area of canvas into rate. Area of canvas 44 into rate. Wrong point ఉంది, 550. 44 into 500 per meter square. That is equal to 22,000 rupees. So the cost of the canvas is 22,000 rupees. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeters. Now the height of the cylinder is 2.4 and the diameter is 1.4. Now the diameter is 1.4. A conical cavity of the same height. See, this is the cavity, conical cavity, cone shape, and diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeters. Now, height of cone and cylinder both are 2.4. Both are 2.4. So, height of cone and cylinder, that is h is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Now, radius of cone and cylinder r is equal to d by 2, 1.4 by 2, that is equal to 0.7 centimeters. Now, h and r. Actually, what is the CSF? CSF cone is pi r l. Pi r l. So we should know, L ni find out here. Whereas L is equal to h square plus r square. Now h square means h 2.4 square plus r means 0.7 square. That is equal to 2.4 square, 24 is 576. So point after 2 is 49, 4.9. So adding both of them, we'll get 6.25. We know that 625 means 25. So that is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So L is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Now find the TSA, total surface area of solid. Total surface area of solid is equal to CSA of cylinder, see the surface area, and internal గా ఉన్నటువంటి ఈ surface area, that is CSA of cone. ఈ టాప్ లో ఏముండదండి. తర్వాత ఈ బాటమ్, that is now it is in the shape of bottom circular. So TSA of solid is equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone, okay, plus bottom area of cylinder. So bottom area, this one, so it is nothing but, we know that this is pi r square. Cylinder CS is 2 pi r h. For cone, pi r l. These are the CSS. CSS of cylinder is 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h plus CSF of cone, pi r l. Bottom area, pi r square. That is equal to, see, pi common, pi, r is also, r కూడా ఉంది చూడండి, r, pi r తీసేస్తే ఇంకేముంది, 2h. pi r తీస్తే l, pi r తీస్తే r స్క్వేర్ కదండి, r ఇంటూ r. సో ఇంకొక r, 2h plus l plus r, 2h plus l plus r. Now pi is equal to 22/7 into r means 0.7 into 2 into h. 2 into 2.4. 2 into 2.4 plus L. L means 2.5 plus R. R means 0.7. That is equal to 22 by ఈ రెండు క్యాన్సిల్ చేయొచ్చా 7 1 జా 0.1. So 22 into 0.1 means 2.2. 2 into 2.4 4.8 plus 2.5 plus 0.7. సో మనకి టోటల్ ఎడిషన్ ఎంత వస్తుందండి 2.2 into 4.8 plus 3.2. Okay, that is equal to 2.2 into 0.8 plus 2 అంటే 5 5 plus 3 8. So that is equal to 8 to the 17.6 centimeters. This is the total surface area of remaining solid. ఇలాంటి సాల్వ్ చేసినప్పుడు అంటే మనం ఏం చేస్తాం ఈ కోన్కి కర్వ్డ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా కట్టాం మొత్తం ఈ చుట్టూ ఉన్న వచ్చేస్తుంది అలాగే ఈ సిలిండర్ కూడా కర్వ్డ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా 2πRH ఇంకా ఈ బాటమ్ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది దీనికి ఎందుకంటే టాప్ అనేది ఇలా అంతా ఈ పీస్ అంతా ఇలా కట్ అయిపోయింది కదండి ఇలా కట్ అయిపోయింది ఓకే ఈ పీస్ ఇలా రిమూవ్ అయిపోయింది కనుక టాప్ వైపు మనం ఏరియా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి సార్ ఓకే A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. అంటే రెండు వైపులు కూడా ఇలాగా రెండు హెమిస్పియర్ లాగా రెండు తీస్తారట as shown in figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10, so height is given h is equal to 10 centimeters and its base is of radius. Now radius r is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Find the total surface area of the article. So we should find out the TSA of the article. So to find the TSA of the article, it is nothing but curved surface area of the cylinder plus 2 into curved surface area of the hemisphere. 2 into so CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere. That is equal to curved surface area of cylinder is 2πRH. 2πRH plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere 2πr square. 2 into this is 2πr square. 2πr square. Now see, if you observe 2pi is common. 2pi r also common r. So 2πr come this the h plus 2 here 2 pi r square means r into r 2r. That is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r means 3.5 into h means 10 plus 2 into 3.5. 2 into 3.5. That is equal to 2 into 3.5 is 7 into this 22 by 7. 22 into 3.5 7 and 7 7 cancel అయిపోతుంది okay 10 plus 2 into 3.5 again 7. That is equal to 22 into 17. That is equal to 7 2s are 374 centimeters means